Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a Glow collaborative unboxing. I got a shipment yesterday and I want to share with you guys because I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so I decided to open it up on camera with you guys. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. So we're just gonna jump into the video and get right into this box here. So let me let you guys peep inside, and I'm gonna start pulling things out. I'm gonna start with the first item right here, and this is the multi-surface everyday cleaner, and I got it in a Iowa pine scent, which is my all-time favorite scent. So I think this came as a set. So I got the dish soap, and then I got the hand soap, and like I said, I think that came in a set. And the next item is the lemon verbena surface scrub, and I think I got this for my bathroom. I want to try it out. And this was actually a free item, I think. Yeah, it's lavender and bergamot. And let me see exactly what this is. I think this is a candle, guys. Let me open it up real quick for you. And if you hear Bruno in the back, he is just running around, whining, wanting to go outside because my husband is outside. So yes, this is a candle, and it smells okay. Oops. But I do like lavender. So that was a free item. And then the next item was my Wood for Good daily cleaner. It cleans and it dusts. This is my favorite wood cleaner, guys. I use this on all my wood furniture. It cleans really good, and I love the smell of it. It has kind of like an almond smell to it, and it says almond right here on the packaging, and it smells really good. This is all that I use on my wood furniture. And then the next item is the all-purpose wipes, and I really like these. I ordered these maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and it comes in the pink grapefruit scent, and I fell in love with these guys. So I ordered some more because I've been using them like crazy. And then I got some more of some dish soap, some more of the dish soap, and I got the apple cider scent. I have never tried that scent before. And then I got some more multi-surface cleaner, and this is the spice pumpkin, and I tried that scent and I really like it. And then I also got another candle, and it is the Iowa pine candle. I'm not sure if I ordered this or if this is a free item also. I might have ordered it, I'm not sure. And you know what is so strange? They usually have a list of your order inside the packaging, but I don't see it. So guys, that's all that I got from Glow Collaborative, and I'm gonna put everything back inside. And like I said, please excuse my dog. He is just walking back and forth because my husband's outside doing some more yard work, more stuff to the yard. And if you didn't see my video from yesterday where we started putting items out for Christmas, decorating the front porch and the yard, please do so, and also watch all of the other videos that I have been doing for Vlogmas. So I'm gonna put these items away, and I'm also gonna give you guys a quick look at my breakfast nook because I switched it up a little bit for the Christmas holiday, still going with kind of the rustic green theme. So I'm just going to give you a quick look at my tablescape before I do it all over again. Just one moment, and I'm going to put these items up, and I'm going to give you a quick look at my tablescape. And okay guys, this is a quick look at my tablescape. I just did a quick switch up. I already had this 2-tier stand here, and I just took some of the items that I had on it and I replaced them with this. It's kind of like a tree. I only use it around Christmas because for some reason it just seems like a Christmas tree to me. And I placed some pine cones in one of my Bath and Body candles. And on the bottom here, I placed 2 of those houses from Target. And this little card also came from Target. And I placed a Christmas tree and some napkins on the other side. And there also is another tree on the other side. So I just quickly switched out my tablescape, and I also used these paper plates that I got. I can't remember where I got them from because I had them for a while. And a lot of times in my tablescape, I will use a paper plate instead of, you know, like regular dinnerware. But sometimes I'll use the regular dinnerware and I'll use paper plates. It depends on what look I'm trying to achieve. And on the bottom is just some wooden chargers that I already had, and these came in a pack of 4 from Target, and I just placed them on top of the paper plates and then used the same little signs that I had, but I just switched it out, you know, to for sayings for Christmas. You know, like right here, this one says Merry Christmas and the other one says Santa is coming. And yeah, I just did a simple little tablescape, and I really like how it looks. Nothing too fancy, but I did want to show you guys how you can do, you know, take some items that you already have and, you know, do a quick little tablescapes. Then guys, in this corner, I placed this table, and I did me a little Christmas tree right here, and I just think my little Christmas tree is so cute, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I think this is one of those Dollar Tree trees that I had. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Actually, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.